Poppy. Today let's find out the names of 17 different wild animals. Part 6 of 6. The first animal on our list for the day is the sugar glider. Sugar glider. The next one is bat. Bat. Moving on, we have yak. Yak. Next is pangolin. Pangolin. Then we have squirrel. Squirrel. The next one is baboon. Baboon. Moving on, we have chipmunk. Chipmunk. The next one is emu. Emu. Moving on, we have ibis. Ibis. Then we have otter, which can also be pronounced as otter. Otter or otter. Next is seal. Seal. Then we have walrus. Walrus. Moving on, we have the armadillo. Armadillo. Next is mountain goat. Mountain goat. The next wild animal on our list is the possum. Possum. Then we have mole. Mole. And the last animal on our list for the day is the numbat. Numbat. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know the names of so many different wild animals. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. And be sure to check out the other parts of our wild animal series to know the names of more wild animals. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.